Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joe. Today is April the 18th. Hopefully you're having a great weekend. In my journey 250k, I'm currently at 139, 215, up by about 279 for the day, which is just from the dodge that I have. For the last week, I am down by 0.7%, which is about 1,000. For the last month, down by about 2.5%, which is about 3,500. Last 3 months, down by about 16%, which is about 26,800. For the past year, up by about 50%, which is about 46,700. So join me in this journey. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you like the content of the video, and also let me know in the comment section what you think about SPACS. We'll be talking about what's happening in the SPACS before I show you all my portfolio like I do every Sunday. So far we know for the year SPACS have raised more than 100 billion, but we have some news from the SEC which is kind of a little bit concerning, because the SEC wants to kind of put a rein on how SPACs treat warrants. For those who know, most of the SPACs have also warrants with them, and it's like an option for you to buy shares. So they want to make sure that all these companies are aware of how to classify this properly, as opposed to how they've been doing it. It's not been brought up before, so this might be something to consider if you're in a SPAC play. Be very careful. Quick reminder, this is just for entertainment purposes only. Any company that came through a SPAC, we've seen pretty much all of them go into the red, and red considerably. The markets are really high right now, S&P 500, NASDAQ, everything, but you have to remember the stocks that are seeing reds are mostly SPACs. If you've noticed, I don't believe there's a SPAC which is super green. Maybe a few like Clover Health, which went up by like 20%, but still it's down from the highs like crazy. But yeah, that's kind of one thing I wanted to bring up. Let me know in the comment section what SPACs you have, and if you're worried about how the SEC is starting to get involved, and what risk you see. I am kind of just holding off a little bit because most of these companies, I believe, are sound. The ones I have, at least when I did the DD, it didn't matter what that part will kind of affect the future, but I feel like what the services and products are offering, I'm okay with the changes that are being made. If I get some more funds, I'll probably just add my position, but let's go straight to it. I have a plug, Microsoft Neo, Fuel Cell, PayPal, Zynga, T, Tellurium, Fuel Cell, and SNDL option plays. I did do really well on some puts last week that I sold. I also did sell a few call options which were in the green, but these ones, most of them are in the red, so I left them to see if I can have them run next week and maybe recoup some of them, which I'm pretty down, like the Neo. I believe the Fuel Cell, PayPal, and Microsoft might be green, but the rest I think I'll lose some money on it. But yeah, let's go to the stocks. Tesla 70. Let's say 100. I'll be doing a covered call like I do every week, and I think I'll be going after a higher premium. So there's a risk that I might lose these 100 shares, but we'll see how that goes. IDX 2000, Neo 150, CleanSpark 150, PSEC 207, INAV 1000, Zynga 200, NRZ 150, O50, ChargePoint 100, IKT 100, Tellurium 200, Nokia 600, CTRM 1000, UAVS I sold 30. I have 50 remaining. As soon as I see some green there, probably I'll sell the rest and take the money and probably add to Tattoo Chef or Skills, because I haven't gotten 100 of either of them yet. TNXP 500, check 200. These are kind of better positioned penny stocks, at least, because most of them are really red. So these ones have kind of helped me because most people bought really high, been burned, but I'm just negative like $6 and $8. Tattoo Chef 80, so I'll be adding up to 100 soon. Palantir 100. Hopefully I can get more money and add that. As America 500. You guys like the yesterday's video, so I'll be touching base on that in the next few days as soon as we have some updates on that. BNG 100, Butterfly 200, Fuel Cell 125, CTXR 700. We have some catalysts coming up for this stock, so hopefully it goes to the green because we're down almost 177. Skills 65. Still believe in this company, so I'll be adding to 100, and if I get more funds I'll probably add more. THBR 400, ISR 400, GNOG 150, Workhorse 100. We are kind of recovering in the Workhorse stock because we were way negative, so I'm actually happy now that we are not below, like, you know, it's not more than 1,000 because it was way a lot of money we'd lost, but we're looking good. APXT 1100. Some news have come up on this company, but since it's a SPAC, we know, like we mentioned, we don't expect anything happening anytime soon, at least for now. ZSAN down by about 1,399. It's a penny stock. Just a reminder, penny stocks are very volatile. For those who have a lot of penny stocks in your portfolio, just make sure you have like even less than like 2% in overall penny stocks in your portfolio, so that if they get hit, then you don't really lose a lot of money. Just make sure you have sound companies. CCIV took a proper beating. I have 201. You can see I'm almost 1,500 down. So if I get also some funds with these dips, I'm happy to add more because I bought it around 26, so less than 20, it's even better. And then SNDL, which is one of the biggest losers in my account, and I still believe in the company, 1,700. So I'll just leave it to run. This a long-term play for me, so I'll just wait until things look good there. And then the last part is Dodge. I think yesterday or Friday we were up by more than 2,000. Now it's cooled off, so I have 7,459. Just a reminder, most of these cryptos in Robinhood, they're not really cryptos. It's just, in my opinion, a representation of, because there's no wallet really. That's why you need to probably have a wallet in like Coinbase. So if you have like Bitcoin or Ethereum, I do have an account there. You can use other wallets, even Cryptonator. We have a ton which you can use, even Binance. So for this, I'm just having it because maybe in future I believe they will kind of build a wallet, but for now just know it's probably just on paper, so don't think too much about it. I think also them halting trading in Dogecoin when it was pretty high, I think prevent a lot of people from selling. So if you're still with Robinhood, no, they're not straightforward. I still use it, but you should have like several apps that you invest through, so that when one is acting up, you still can do what you like doing on another app. So I don't like just believing in one company. So that's why I have Webull. I have a link down below if you need to open an account. You get some free stock. I also get a free stock when you use my link. I have for SoFi. You can use my link as well. You're open to have one in Robinhood if you don't have Robinhood, but I will say just be careful with Robinhood because they usually screw people over pretty much all the time. So just be aware of what you're getting yourself into. It's kind of user friendly, so if you like option trading, I feel like you'll enjoy Robinhood a little bit, but all the other platforms also you can kind of get used to it. But yeah, that's it for me. Be green, be safe. See you on the next one. Bye.